today I am super excited to be sharing with you guys a hair tutorial. It's been a highly requested video. A lot of you guys have been commenting on my Instagram as well as sending me messages on my YouTube. Well, no, the other way around. A lot of you guys have been sending me messages on my Instagram as well as commenting on my YouTube videos. And you guys said that you wanted to see how I wave my hair or how I style my hair in these messy, beachy waves. I'll show you guys a few pictures. This, and this. So if you like this hairdo, stick around and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comments below if you found this tutorial useful. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this Living Proof heat styling spray, which is basically there to protect my hair from all of the heat that is going to be in the curling iron as I'm waving my hair. And not only does it protect your hair, but it also gives it an extra smooth and shiny look. So I'm just gonna roughly take about what I feel is like the top half of my hair, and I'm just gonna twirl it around and then just clip it up with one of these clips. I don't know what you call them. They're like hair clips that people use at the salon. Now I'm just gonna comb my hair through to make sure that it's smooth. Okay, next I'm gonna make sure that my curling iron's temperature is about over 200 degrees, which is a lot, hence the heat protecting spray that I used on my hair. Okay, as you can see, I just took an inch wide section of my hair and I twirled it around in an outwards motion. Then the next one that I'm going to be doing is going to be in an inward direction, just to give an alternate direction to my hair, which gives it a more natural look when you do something like that, as opposed to curling them all in one direction. Another trick that I do is I leave about 1.5 inches or 2 inches of my ends uncurled. I just feel like it gives a more messier and effortless look. And each section that I take is about 1 inch wide, just because this particular curling iron, I feel like I need to take thinner sections because it's not as heavy and strong as the curling wands are. You can also use a curling wand. I feel it's better for these kind of waves. I just find this kind of curling iron to be more versatile, as I can do my regular soft curls with it as well. For this style, I just don't use the clamp. I just keep it closed and I just wrap the sections of my hair around it and it works fine. But either way, just to be sure, wear some gloves because you might end up burning your hands if you don't. So one of the most important techniques of achieving this hair is the way you hold your curling iron. So if you notice, I'm holding the iron from the opposite hand from the side of the hair that I'm curling, and I'm also holding it downwards in a 45-degree angle from my hair. And I give each section of my hair about 8 to 10 seconds. So now that I'm done with the bottom of my hair, I'm going to take out about 1/4 on each side of the top section that I had clipped up and repeat all the same steps. Okay, so I have a lot of baby hair, or is it baby hairs? I don't know. What I try to do is get as close to my roots as possible with the curling iron so that I don't miss them in the process. Once I'm done with that, I will now unclip the remaining section and separate it into thirds and leave the middle section clipped. The very last section I leave clipped up is the crown section at the back, which I will do at the end. At this point, I just decide if I want my hair parted on either sides or the middle, and then I part my hair accordingly and finish my waves. And finally, it's time to finish the waves by curling the crown section in the back. And at the end, I just check to see if I missed any sections. Okay, so the most satisfying part is running your fingers through the curls at the very end, which really makes the hairdo come together. But I still feel after about an hour, these waves look super effortless and chic once they straighten out a bit. So I'm finally done with these waves, and I actually don't put any kind of product in my hair because I just feel like it weighs my hair down. There's so much humidity in the environment anyways, I just let that do its work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more of these videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Magu, do you like my hair?
Obama.
Obama?